Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the computer upgrade king, Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop, a true powerhouse designed for the most demanding gamers and content creators. Packed with top-of-the-line hardware and cutting-edge features, this gaming desktop is built to provide exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and a sleek design. Let's break down what makes the system a game changer. Starting with the performance, the Intel 12-core i7-12700KF processor is a monster when it comes to power. With 12 cores and 20 threads, this CPU delivers fast, responsive performance whether you're gaming, streaming, or working on resource-heavy applications like video editing or 3D rendering. The i7-12700KF offers incredible multitasking capabilities, allowing you to breeze through your tasks without any slowdown. As for graphics, the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU is built to deliver ultra-realistic visuals and smooth performance at high frame rates. Whether you're gaming at 4K, using ray tracing, or leveraging DLSS deep learning super sampling, this GPU ensures that you're getting the best in graphical performance. Expect stunning detail, rich textures, and a seamless gaming experience at ultra settings, even with the most demanding AAA titles. When it comes to memory and storage, the Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop packs 32GB of DDR5 RAM, which is perfect for handling heavy multitasking, high-end games, and memory-intensive applications. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running virtual machines, the 32GB of fast DDR5 memory ensures that everything runs smoothly. As for storage, the 1TB NVMe Gen4 SSD ensures lightning-fast boot times, quick file transfers, and plenty of room for your games, software, and media. For cooling, this gaming rig is equipped with liquid cooling to keep temperatures in check during intense gaming sessions or heavy workloads. The RGB liquid cooling system not only ensures excellent performance and cooling but also adds a striking visual element to your setup, letting you customize the lighting to match your personal style. When it comes to connectivity, the system comes with Wi-Fi for wireless internet access, ensuring you have fast and stable connections whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing the web. The desktop also includes all the necessary ports for connecting peripherals like a mouse, keyboard, external hard drives, and monitors. Running on Windows 11 Pro, this gaming desktop is fully optimized for gaming and productivity. With Windows 11, you get a modern, streamlined user experience with enhanced gaming features like direct storage and auto HDR, which help load games faster and improve visual quality. If you're looking for a high-performance gaming desktop that can handle everything from the latest games to heavy content creation, the Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop is a beast. Click the link below to grab it today at the best price. To sum it up, the computer upgrade king, Stratos Micro Gaming Desktop is an absolute powerhouse with its Intel 12-core i7-12700KF processor, NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 GPU, 32GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB NVMe Gen4 SSD, and RGB liquid cooling system. Running on Windows 11 Pro, it's ready to handle anything you throw at it, whether it's gaming, content creation, or intensive multitasking. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on more awesome tech reviews.